Make tempting Lehsun ki chutney with just a scan in LG Wi-Fi enabled scan to cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Lehsun ki chutney from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app and follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. In a microwave safe bowl, mix all the ingredients. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. Your very tempting Lehsun ki chutney made with LG scan to cook charcoal microwave oven is ready in no time. Follow these simple steps to operate scan to cook microwave oven.